Hello friends, in this video I will try to repair this Blu-ray player with no disk error. Let's begin. When I try to use this Blu-ray player, tries to read the disk and after that gives us no disk error. I tried the Blu-ray disc, DVD disc and audio, CD audio, and it's the same error. I've tried to clean the laser unit. I've seen a video with this device and it's a lot of work to get to the laser unit. So let's begin. Now here we have the laser unit. We should check this if it's well lubricated, and it is. And I will watch the lens with a magnifier. It has a little dirt and I hope that I can save it by cleaning the lens. You have to clean this lens very gently with a stick with cotton like this and with cleaning fluid. Now looks much better. And now let's put it back and make a test. Now we've put everything back, and let's hope that we are lucky. Now let's put on the TV and let's check if it's working now. Alexa, TV on. So I've connected this to the TV. Now it tries to read the Blu-ray. Soon will appear the menu of the Blu-ray player. Now we have the menu of the Blu-ray player. Let's eject and no disk error. Now let's try with a DVD. The same error. Unfortunately, we can't repair this now, and I have to replace the laser unit. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment, and if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.